Student, now we will see the circumference. Circumference means the length of the circle. In the simple way you can also do at home, that you take a bangle or the bottle tap and any string or the thread, you do this way, roll it on this point, starting and ending point, meet together here, and afterward you can measure this length on your scale. Yes, so this way also you can do the length of the circle. But now here we will see the part of the circle. So first one is, this is a circle, it's a closed figure. Yes, so this is the point, center point. Yes, so each circle has this in the center point. So we give here the name O. The center point of the circle we give name is a O. Center of the circle we give name O. Yes, the point is in this, between the circle, that it in the center of the circle. That point we indicate as a O. Now the second is diameter. Diameter means this diameter, the line segment is passed on through the center. Yes, see, this line segment is passed through the center. It may be this, it may be this. Yes, so we give them line segment AB or CD. Yes, line segment AB or CD. This is the diameter. Two diameters I draw here. That, and what is the diameter? That line segment, the line segment passes through the center and its starting and ending point is on the circle. Okay, so see, this line segment A and B, it's passed through the center. Yes, here this line segment C and D, this is the diameter that pass through the center, and both starting point and ending point lies on the circle. Here also, and one more thing, that diameter is equally part the circle. Like A and B, they equally part. Yes, that C and D, it is also equally part of the circle. They divide the circle into equal part. So diameter is equal to what we said, that it means that the line segment passes through the center of the circle and its ending point and starting point fall on the circle. Yes, so this is the diameter. Now the second thing, we can write here the diameter AB and diameter CD, and both are equal. Why I am writing here the equal? Because the length of this two diameter is equal, because it passed through the center and it make a equal part of the circle. If you see this way, that 1, 2 and AB line segment diameter is also make a two part of the circle equal. So we said that the diameter AB is equal to diameter CD. Yes. Now the second point is chord. Now what is the chord? Yes. Here the chord means the line segment is here. I draw the line segment. This is the line segment. The starting point and ending point fall on the circle. But this, what is the difference between the diameter and chord? That chord is not passed through the center. Yes, its pass through this center. Okay, so we give here the name PQ. Yes, so this is the chord. It may be fall and anywhere of the circle, like this way also we can show. Yes. That here D or B is here D and B. Yes. But we can't say that these two are the equal chord. Yes. X, Y. Chord X, Y. That we represent that the line segment PQ, it's the fourth one is radius. Now what is the radius? Radius is the line segment that it starts from this center and ending point is on this circle. Yes. Here we give the name is Z. Okay. OZ. Yes. So OZ is the radius. What is that? The line segment here starting is from the center and ending on the circle or any point of the circle. Yes. So it is a radius. So have you observed that the diameter? See, diameter is passes through this line segment is passes through from the center and the starting point on the circle and pass through the center and ending point on the another side, that is on the circle. So it is the longest, diameter is the longest length of this circle. Yes. And radius is the half. Yes. We can say this way also. OB, yes, OB is a radius and here AB is a diameter. AB, line segment AB is the diameter of this circle and OB is the radius of this circle. Can you observe this? This is so on this basis we can say that it is the OB, that means OB is the half of this diameter. Yes, so we can say that the radius is radius is half of the diameter. Yes, or we can say the 2 times of radius, length of the 2 times of the radius, we can, the diameter can found its length. Understood? If we see the OB and OA is equal to OB plus OA is equal to AB. The lengthwise I am telling that the radius is 2 times, like OB and OA, 2 radius is equal to 1 diameter. Yes. So this way that the circumference is, that it means that the length of the circle we can measure it. So and the another part we see that the parts of the circle, it is a center always here, center of the circle is show the point is indicate that the center of the circle. Then diameter means the line segment, that line segment, the starting point on the circle and it passes through the center and its ending point also on the circle. Chord, here we represent at AB. Now the chord means that the line segment lies on 2 points that on the circle, like here the line segment starting point is P and here ending Q, but it is not a diameter. Why? Because it is not passed through this center, it is lies on this side. Yes, XY also a chord. Yes, but it is not passed through the center, that's why we can't say that it is a diameter. Yes, the third one is radius. The next is radius. Radius means the line segment is So it is the half of the diameter. Yes, we can say that the radius is the half of the diameter.